Greetings, traders. It's Thursday, May 20th, 2021, and we have our first Iron Condor cherry bomb in a long time. We're looking at SPYs too, nonetheless, which of course has 4 drops of liquidity and right now has an IV rank of almost 27. Now, is that IV rank low because of what happened this time-ish last year? That's something that the email that we get from Tasty Trade 5 days a week, that's what it talked about today. So, with that, stick around to the end. I'll tell you how you can get those emails sent to your inbox for free 5 days a week too at the end. But for now, we're going to take a look at this Iron Condor. Join me, would you? Hi, everybody. My name is Neil. This is Option Theory. Thank you so much for joining us. On screen here, you can see we've got our little portfolio pulled up here, and we have nothing in this Iron Condor section. I'm looking to add something there, or at least we're going to look at it. And before we head to that, let's take a quick look at what's been happening overnight in the futures action. We can see NASDAQ is down NASDAQ and S&Ps are down roughly, let's call it 0.6%. So another red day for our indices. What's green on the screen here right now is volatility, euro, yen, bonds. But the other stuff, oil's down another 1.5%. That was great for that USO trade that we put on, I think it was last Monday, if I can remember. I think it was last Monday, yes. So that helped there. I don't know how it's doing for ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil was taking a little beating there too. That's right. We profited on our USO trade. Let's see if oil will make a bounce back. I'm also yesterday's trade, by the way. We're going to get to today's trade, but the Netflix one where we put on opposing trades, yeah, that bearish one was profitable, was able to close it in the same day. Now, let's go for the bullish one. All right, let's go to the charts, take a look at SPYs. You can see here that we are, quite volatile recently. See that little expansion in the bands here that's happening in that phase here. Let me zoom in on that. A brief little bit of expansion and volatility there, but definitely a narrowing here. Anyway, let's auto zoom back out there. We're going to try to take a neutral trade today. Now, interestingly enough, this Iron Condor is skewed in a sense of it gives us a delta, a negative delta, and which is okay, I guess, if you're coming into a day that's looking to be down. Maybe it'll continue. All right, let's go ahead and build today's trade. So there it is on screen, but we're going to go to Add Simulated Trade so we can show you how to build it. You're going to be in the June 25th weeklies with 36 days to expiration. And this is the trade as it's sent to us. Do note, though, that the bid ask is now $2 lower than what it was when the email was generated for us. So does that mean you want to move your strikes? We'll see. All right, so let's take a look. We're looking at selling the 379 put, buying the 376 put. That's our short put strikes. Now our short call strikes are the short of the 423 and long the 426. And I'm just going to bring this up here so you can see those strikes on screen down here, right? So we're looking at what's short for us. So think of it like a strangle, right? Which is the short the 379 put and short the 423 call. And then buy your wings $3 above that call and $3 below your put. And you've got yourself your Iron Condor. It's $3 wide. Here we're looking to collect about $1.14 for this one. All we need to do is collect $1 to be able to meet the 1/3 the width of the strikes. And we're looking at an overall delta of negative 3.6, which tells us we would benefit if SPYs moves down for us. So let's visualize that. Let's go to the risk profile and check out our probabilities. Make sure the date in the top right corner matches the date that you see in turquoise in the bottom left corner. And then that gives us our expected move on the screen. Let's pull that expected move out. So we got our close to the both edges. Let's set our break evens, our price slices to break even at expiration. And we're looking at a 56, or we can call it 57% probability of kicking it between the goalposts. But take a look here. You see how this is our current price right now? we're really close. We're closer to the right side than we are to the left side, closer to the calls and the puts. So we want things to move down. And as we do that today, we would profit on that, right? So what's our max profit of is 114. Okay, that's cool. So $57 would be great there if we could make that, and then we'd, close up shop and take our money elsewhere. According to Tastyworks email, or Tasty Trades email, we're looking at a 76% probability of making that 50% profit. That's pretty good. Although, iron condors tend to work with time rather than direction. This does give us the opportunity to profit, at least short term, in direction. It's tough to be, bearish on the SPYs for too long because it has, as one would see if you look at the chart, it has a tendency to go up. I don't know. So this might not be one I'm looking to stay in too long. And, this is, I don't know. What do you think about iron condors and SPYs? Tough call with this one. But I'm going to go for it because this is our simulated trading. And I want to talk a little bit more about that. I'm going to right-click this trade, choose confirm and send, review that, which we already know. We can make the 114, although we're looking to close it if we get to $57. We could lose $186. So that's great. You can take a position in SPY that benefits if it goes nowhere, if it goes up or it goes down. But as long as it stays within a range, you can make that money. Kind of cool. Maybe you didn't know you could do that. I'm going to go ahead and hit send and leave that in my margin account. I want to talk a little bit about what we do here. But first I want to say thank you to make it this far in my video. If you've made it this far, thumbs up to you. Thank you so much. If you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed or you're not sure what to do and you want to up your skills in trading, head on down to that description. You'll find a link that'll take you over to Tasty Trades webpage. You can sign up for all of their emails, none of their emails. It's up to you. There's no commitment. There's no price. I don't make any money. Head on over there. You can sign up for the Cherry Bomb email list. You'll get 5 emails a week. Monday's motivational, and then Tuesday through Friday, if they're trading days, we'll have trade ideas for you to put on. We use Thinkorswim because it has simulated trading in it. You can practice your skills using trades given to you, and it's not just putting the trade on, it's what to do when they don't work out, right? Practice putting on orders that are good till canceled so that you know what to do when eventually you move up to trading with your real dollars. I hope you'll join us. When you're done signing up for those emails, come on back here. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell that shows up there so you'll be notified when these videos come out. I do thank you so much for all of your views. If you feel I've earned a like, there is a like button. If you didn't like it and you hit the thumbs down button, would you be so kind as to tell me what you didn't like or what I could do better? Thank you so much for your views. I will see you in tomorrow's final Cherry Bomb of the week, everyone. Until then, may the market be with you.